We've just completed Theme 1 in our English Language Arts. Lesson 5 is a review week. Our learning goals for today are, today we're reviewing different types of sentences and how they are made up of two parts, so that we can identify the naming part, also known as the subject, and the telling part, known as the predicate. I'll know I've got it when I can discuss and write some silly sentences independently. A statement sentence tells a complete thought and ends with a period. A command sentence tells someone to do something and also ends with a period. An exclamation sentence shows strong feeling and ends with an exclamation point. A question sentence asks a question and ends in a question mark. Here's an example of a statement question. Remember, a statement question is a complete thought. Mr. Thornton is walking to the gym. Now in this sentence, the naming part is Mr. Thornton. What is Mr. Thornton doing? He is walking to the gym. Command sentence also ends with a period, but it's asking you to do something. Group 3, please line up quietly. The naming part, or the subject, is group 3. The telling part, or what they're doing, the predicate, is line up quietly. The Pirates made it to the playoffs. An exclamation sentence shows strong feeling. In this sentence, the naming part is the Pirates. And the telling part is made it to the playoffs. And of course, an exclamation sentence ends with an exclamation. A question sentence ends in a question mark. May I sharpen my pencil? The naming part is I. The telling part is sharpen my pencil. Now we're going to do some group work. You're going to work with a partner. Let's go over the rules. Get along with each other. Respect everyone's opinions or ideas. Offer support and ideas. Use soft voices. Participate actively. And finally, stay together as a team. Mind your manners as you work together to write some silly sentences. As I said, you will be assigned a partner, and you will write 4 silly sentences. Again, you need to write 4 silly sentences about the animal photos: a statement, a command, an exclamation, and finally a question sentence. Make sure to check that you wrote neatly, you wrote a complete thought, you capitalized and used proper punctuation. Also, underline the naming part and circle the telling part. Now that you have your worksheets and your partner, make sure both names are on the paper. Are we ready to check out the silly pictures? Again, you need to write 4 sentences, even though there are only 3 pictures. Use your imagination. Enjoy!